Welcome to my channel. Flight Assistant's Boeing 777X just got a major update. Here's what changed. Boeing's 777X program just made major headlines. In this video, we break down the latest updates, key milestones, certification progress, and what this means for airlines and passengers worldwide. Is the 777X finally back on track? Discover how this next-generation widebody could reshape long-haul travel. Stay tuned for the full aviation update. First production standard 777X flight targeted for April 2026. Boeing plans to conduct the maiden flight of a production-configured 777X, built to commercial delivery standards, in April 2026. This milestone involves a Lufthansa-bound aircraft currently undergoing fuel tests at Payne Field in Everett, Washington, with engine runs scheduled soon after. This marks major progress after years of delays. Type certification expected in the second half of 2026. Boeing remains confident of achieving FAA type certification for the 777X in the latter half of 2026. This is a critical regulatory step, though CEO Kelly Ortberg has described the overall certification process, including for other programs, as a lingering hangover from previous challenges. First customer deliveries now slated for 2027. The long-delayed entry into service timeline has stabilized at 2027 for initial deliveries, primarily the 777-9 variant. This is roughly 7 years behind the original plan, originally expected around 2020. The 777-8 freighter variant is expected to follow later, potentially around 2028-2029. New engine durability issue identified on GE9X. In late January 2026, Boeing disclosed a durability concern with the GE9X engines during inspections. While details remain limited, the company states it does not expect this to derail the 2027 delivery target. Flight testing continues, and Boeing is collaborating with GE Aerospace to address it. Over $15 billion in cumulative charges. The program has incurred more than $15 billion in accounting charges due to repeated delays, design changes, and certification hurdles since its 2013 launch. This reflects the financial strain of developing the world's largest and most efficient twin-engine widebody. Test fleet has accumulated extensive flight hours. The 777X flight test fleet, including prototypes like WH-001, WH-003, has logged more hours than any prior Boeing program. Recent activity includes certification testing led by aircraft such as WH-003, with fuel and systems testing advancing on production representative jets. Production strategy. Newer airframes delivered first. Early built 777X airframes, some years old, no longer match the latest design standards due to ongoing changes. Boeing plans to deliver newer production aircraft first in 2027, while older ones undergo rework and modifications before entering service. Lufthansa remains launch customer. Lufthansa is positioned as the launch operator for the 777-9, with the aircraft currently in testing. Other major customers, Emirates, Qatar Airways, Etihad, Singapore Airlines, etc., are expected to receive jets shortly after, depending on their individual acceptance processes post-certification. Key performance advantages still compelling. Despite the long wait, Boeing emphasizes the 777X's breakthroughs: 20% lower fuel burn and emissions, 40% smaller noise footprint compared to previous models, 10% lower operating costs than competitors, and features like folding wingtips, composite wings, and advanced GE9X engines. It targets replacement of older 777s and some 747s, A380s. Strategic importance for Boeing's widebody future. The 777X is crucial for Boeing's long-haul market position against the Airbus A350 family. Success in 2026-2027 certification and deliveries would boost revenue, strengthen customer confidence, and support production ramp up to potentially 3 to 5 aircraft per month post-entry into service. The 777X program has faced extraordinary challenges, technical, regulatory, and supply chain related. But recent milestones, production flight in sight, ongoing testing, reaffirmed timelines, indicate it's finally nearing the finish line after more than a decade of development. The coming months, especially the April flight, will be pivotal. Hope you like this video. Please like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.